हाय साक्षी बेटा, कैसे हो आप?
I'm fine, ma'am.
अच्छा बेटा बताओ, आपकी एज क्या है?
I'm 25 years.
एंड आपने ये वर्कशॉप कब किया था?
मैंने around 1 month ago. I have
कितने दिन का वर्कशॉप था बेटा ये?
2 days only.
2 days।
Yeah.
कैसा लगा था आपको?
It was very much, it was very much out of the box that I have done. I mean, I have done only academics wala lectures and all, but this was very much different. एंड ये मुझे मतलब पता चला था, मेरा कज़न है सो वो कर रहा था, सो उसके रिजल्ट से आई गॉट टू नो दिस एंड एज आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स I am lacking some skills, I would get anxious very much during exams, especially during when I am giving papers, but now it's not like that. I'm recalling the things which I have done, I have prepared for the specific exams, like for example maths. My maths was very worst, but now at least I am recalling the things which I have already done and they are helping me for my exams as well.
वेरी गुड, दैट्स वेरी नाइस टू हियर बेटा। कैन यू टेल मी लाइक ये वर्कशॉप लाइक नॉर्मली सबको लगता है कि बच्चों के लिए है, तो एट योर एज आप ब्लाइंड फोल्ड कर पाए?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like, I don't think कि बस छोटे बच्चों के लिए है. This is definitely for adults also. Because I myself is I was actually at first I was like कि मेरे को नहीं करना है, क्यों करना है? I'm an adult now and there's a fixed mindset of an adult person. But actually it is nothing like that. You can do this workshop at any type or any age group you are, because it helps you and it literally opens the I would say the key to your mind, to your third eye, I can say.
Very good beta, so you are finding like it is helping in your studies and your
Yeah,
focus level.
definitely.
Anything else like you benefited after this workshop in your personal life?
I mean, like, I used to be, as being an aspirant, government exam aspirant, so it's very much common to have, angriness or anxiousness, but now it's not like that. I am still, but it's at a very lower range that I am feeling. I'm very much calmer than I used to be a 1 month ago.
सो ओवरऑल आपने मज़े किए। एंड बैच में कैसा लगा? बैच में क्या किया आप? इंजॉय किया या बोर हुए?
बहुत मज़ा आता है गाइस, एंड इट्स नथिंग लाइक इट्स नथिंग कि आप कुछ पढ़ रहे हो या फिर कुछ आप सिखा रहे हो. नो, इट्स जस्ट यू हैव टू जस्ट डू IJM एंड ऑल, एंड इट इज़ नथिंग रिलेटेड टू बुक्स एंड ऑल. It's just how you use it after you go after this.
Okay, so any message you would like to give to others?
Yeah, I would say that you should definitely do. Like, you shouldn't consider that if you are an adult and you shouldn't consider that I wouldn't be able to do that और मेरे से नहीं होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can do it, but it's just that you have to do it and you have to take it in a very positive mindset that I can do that and my mind could open.
And like if I ask you in yes or no, क्या ये वर्कशॉप वर्थ था बेटा?
Yeah, definitely yes.
थैंक यू सो मच बेटा। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स।